Friends, in today's society, collective thinking is continuously declining, and people are not able to understand how collective thinking is playing important role in their life and also in the society. It is important to think that the collective thinking is the most important process in our social life and also labor process, that not just define the behavior and define our way of life, but also it's play important role in decision making. Without collective thinking, we cannot take decision democratically. We have only process to understand the collective process to decide something, either in the family or in the society. Everywhere is the role of collective thinking. But today's society, there are so many problems has been emerged because of market, because of capitalism, because of so many other issues, and people are continuously making themselves as more individuals and also define themselves, their identity as more individual, because the market is not just making the society more individualistic, but also market leading the competitiveness, competitive sensibility among the individuals, among the society, and because of that, not just individual but the entire society is not considering any sense of collective, and they don't understand how collective thinking is playing important role in our civilization, our society, and the contemporary social order. So if you look at the history, there is a history of collective thinking. From the beginning, the collective thinking only the process basis of that human's civilization has been developed, and there is no individual space, individual status beyond the collective thinking. Individual existence has been defined by the collective process, collective labor process, collective thinking. Individualism and individual status does not exist independently, because the entire process, if you observe, there is a collective thinking, there is a collective process and collective labor process. Without a collective labor process, nothing will happen in our society and also in our daily life. So there is no space, any individual thinking, individualistic notion that the market propagating in today's society. In entire history, there is a collective thinking and the collective labor process, and many scholars claim that the basis of collective labor process, the society has been developed and many things have been developed. But the emergence of capitalism, industrial revolution has bring out several changes in the society, and one of the basic change was that the capitalism has carried out and also has created a space for individual notion, which is also exists historically in our society, but it has role basis of collective process, collective labor process. It does not exist without the collective labor process. But the capitalism has defined, not actually, and in reality capitalism has defined, but logically have defined, there is a space for individual choice, individual existence and individual progress. But it is totally the irrational logical tendency of the capitalist organization of society. And after that, everyone can observe the individual tendency has gradually emerged, and not just the market has been organized basis of individual choices, but also now in today's society, Our family has also been organized basis of individual choices, basis of individual performance, basis of individual growth rate, and this is only the market impact, and this is the only the impact of modern institutions, modernity, and modern philosophical tendency. Modern institution, either you can call modern state or modern institution called education, and so many other institution, hospital, and so many other institution has been developed basis of individual nation, and all these institutions very strongly consider the individual priority, individual choices, and individual tendency. But interesting thing is that without considering individual tendency, individual notion, modern institution don't give any alternative space. If you not accept this, then there's no space for you. You can have anyhow to follow the individual notion. Modern state formation is only the way. Otherwise you have to follow the traditional role. Otherwise you are the out of range, out of the territory of the modern thinking process. And this is the major problem of modern state system. And because of that, in entire third world country, the country where the modern state has been emerged, gradually market has developing, and market has become one of the leading force and one of the main force to lead the society, lead the entire process of social order, labor process, and different things of the society. And interestingly, you can very clearly observe that these things has widely changed the society. Even it has changed our mentality, even changed our the thinking process, perception process, aesthetics notion also. In Indian case, if you observe that the urbanization has made the similar tendency in our society. The people are, those who are living in urban spaces have more individualistic rather than the rural people, and they have the individual choices, they have priority of individuality, and they have their own identity, and they claim basis of individual growth, basis of individual talent. And these things has brought out several problems, and all these problems not just against the collective thinking process, but also its decline in the collective labor process. If you observe in your family have same problem, that there is no space for collective labor process. There is a division of labor, basis of market, social order, and basis of individualistic social order. And somebody are doing some work, and somebody is doing some work, and there is a very deep-rooted division of labor. And that division of labor not just develop the tendency of individualism, but also the tendency against the collective notion, against the collective labor process. And it also physically decline your skills, decline your capacity, because individuals as a human being have the different kind of quality, different kind of skills, and they have ability to learn many things, understand many things, develop many things. So division of labor have created a space for a specific skill, a specialization, the condition of specialization. So everyone trying to become a specialized person, a specific person, and this is the extension of individualistic notion, and it is also against the collective notion. Collective notion always against the division of labor, and it is the primary stage of democratic principle, democratic behavior. Democratic behavior does not exist without collective notion. If you have collective notion, if you develop in your family a collective notion, then you can able to develop the democratic space, so that everyone can come together and participate in labor process and participate in decision making process. And this is the only alternative way. This is the only way through which everyone can develop their collective thinking, collective labor process, and it is the complete way of life, because in this process everyone get like an opportunity and different kind of opportunity to explore themselves, to develop their own quality and different their multiple strength. So if you consider the collective thinking, collective labor process, then you have to develop the understanding of others. Others always define from you, and this is the part of collective thinking, collective labor process.